Mastering polite requests. Understanding quiet down. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's super useful in everyday English, quiet down. Whether you're in a classroom, at the movies, or at home, knowing how to use this phrase appropriately can be a game changer. So, let's get started and find out how to use and respond to quiet down in various situations. Quiet down is a common English phrase used to ask people to lower their noise level. It's often used by teachers in classrooms, librarians in libraries, or anyone who needs to bring a noisy environment under control. But it's not just about volume. It's also about reducing the level of activity that is causing a disturbance. When someone says, quiet down, they're usually seeking a more peaceful or less disruptive atmosphere. It's important to note that it's a polite request, not a harsh command. It's all in the tone you use. There are many scenarios where quiet down can be the perfect phrase to use. Let's look at a few. In the classroom, when students are talking or laughing loudly, a teacher might say, "Could we quiet down, please?" At home, if family members are playing music too loudly while others are trying to work or sleep, you might hear, "Hey, can we quiet down a bit?" In public spaces, in a theater or a library, an announcement might remind patrons, "Please quiet down before the event begins." Remember, your body language and tone of voice play a huge role in how your message is received. A friendly smile and a calm tone can make quiet down a courteous request rather than a strict order. How should you respond when someone asks you to quiet down? The best response is to acknowledge the request and comply. A simple nod and a reduction in your noise level will usually suffice. If you're the one speaking loudly, a brief apology, like, "Sorry, I didn't realize I was being so loud," goes a long way in maintaining a polite and respectful environment. Using quiet down can be a bit tricky in different cultural contexts. What's considered a polite request in one culture might be seen as too direct in another. It's essential to be aware of the cultural norms of the place you're in. Sometimes, adding a word like "please" or softening your request to "could we please quiet down a little" can make it more acceptable across various cultures. That's all on quiet down for today. Remember, this phrase is a polite way to ask for a lower noise level, and it's most effective when said with a kind tone and respectful attitude. We hope you find this video helpful in your English language journey. Stay tuned for more language tips, and don't forget to quiet down next time the situation calls for it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.